Now let's start looking at images in Photoshop. I know that's what you wanted to do, so let's get to it. We'll start here in Bridge with this image of the sunset in Texas, and we'll double-click on the thumbnail image on the right side of the workspace, which will load the image in Photoshop. Then, when we're in Photoshop, we're ready to go. Now I'm going to show you the 5 tools you need to learn to begin meaningful work on your images. Now there's lots of tools here, but ignore those until later. Now here's a little secret. Some of these I never use and have no idea how to use them, okay? That just goes to show you how comprehensive this program is. Some of this stuff you just don't need. So, okay, here we go with the 5 basic tools to get you working on your images. Number 1 is the Move tool. Number 2 is the Crop tool, which is obviously the tool you use to crop your images. Number 3 is the Spot Healing brush, which could also be named the Spot Removal tool. Number 4 is the Clone Stamp tool. And then number 5, the Brush tool. Now, you might want to take a screenshot of this list here or write them down, because these are the only 5 tools that you need to really become proficient with in order to start doing meaningful work on your images, okay? So in the following movies, we're going to go through each one of these individual tools and tell you how to use them. Now, we're not going to go through everything, but I am going to show you how to get started with the Move tool and how to navigate the options bar in order for you to begin experimentation and learning on your own, okay? So sit tight, and next we'll go over the Move tool.